Hey, what it is? One Lucky Irish Guy. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Moscow Mule. And the first thing we like to do is we like to grab a copper cup, crush some ice. Now I crush some ice in my Ninja. The Ninja works really well. I'll have a link of it below if you think you want to get one. Now also you can use a Lewis bag, which is nothing more than a mallet and a big canvas bag, or you can wrap it in some towel and smash it on the floor. But I happen to have a Ninja, so that's what we're going to use. First thing you want to do is you want to ice up our cup. One more. Okay. Next, we're going to pour 1 ounce of lime juice in there, which I've already squeezed. Fresh lime juice. Always use fresh lime juice. Don't use roses or any of that pre-made stuff. Okay. 2 ounces of, today I'm going to use Tito's vodka. 2 ounces of the Tito's. Top that with a little ginger beer, about 2-3 ounces. Now I happen to like mine spicy, so this is purely optional. I put a little of Angostura bitters in there, about 3-4 drops. Okay, now I also like a little mint in mine. A little mint, give it a slap. Throw it in there. Throw your lime wedge on for garnish. Put your straws in there. And that's how I make my Moscow Mule. That's good. That's good. Now also, you can substitute the base spirit and you have a different kind of mule. Make your Kentucky Mule, you can swap it out and use whiskey or bourbon instead of the vodka. If you want a Jamaican Mule, throw some Appleton Rum in there. Get your Jamaican Mule. You want a Mexican Mule? Put some tequila in there. You want gin? I mean, you get the idea. So, and they're pretty easy to make. And they're very enjoyable. I suggest you try one out. Now also, I want to explain to you, if you do want to support me, support the channel, there are 2 things you can do. I really need you to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. Write in there how you think I'm doing. I mean, tell me, write me something back, comes right back to me. Number 2 is I'm going to put links in there for all the barware. If you want to buy some barware through Amazon, I get a certain small commission of that. Also, if you happen to need anything more from Amazon, please buy it then while you're in there, because I'll make a commission on that too. That's another way that you can support me. I really do appreciate this, and just know that I will get better at this the more that I do. So help me out here, tell me what you want to see, tell me how you think I'm doing, and I will catch you next time.